Top of the morning, folks. We got to run around bale. We got some snow to plow out, or snow blow. I'll include some of that footage. And it wasn't a big, huge deal. Ended up for us being about 6 or 7 inches of really, really heavy wet. It snowed and it turned to sleet. Then at one point around 2 in the morning, it actually woke me up. It was raining quite hard, but then it turned back to snow, so it's a mess. Now let's see if I can stab this bale without rolling it down onto our beloved white. Or rolling the bale that's behind it down on the white. And then I'll set it down and I'll get a better stab at it. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to drive right out of it and get a better deal. I got something really cool coming. According to the information I'm being given, it's coming tomorrow. And tomorrow is a bit complicated for me at work, but somehow I have to be here to unload it because there, let's lay that flatter. Because I chose no lift gate option since I have a tractor and pallet forks. Actually, that was exactly the option I chose. I have equipment to unload it. We'll hopefully, depends on the weather, that might be the next video showing you what I finally bought after a few years of thought and discussion, and I'm actually extremely excited about this one. I've been excited about a lot of the stuff I've bought over the years, but not quite to this extent. So we'll get this bale up there, and then I'll show you some snow blowing footage. Well, let's get some grain, because otherwise they think I'm gonna drive right in there with the bale and let them be part of the party. Hello, Jake. Checking out what I'm doing. Get another scoop. Shut in. We'll get that closed. Then we get this closed. And we get this open. Boy, it would sure be nice if somebody didn't blow snow right where I have to drive through there. Deep enough. He's got her pretty deep right here. I wouldn't think that that should have to be talked about. But it's easier than me having to drive up here. Every time it snows, my father-in-law comes over and does it. Let's see if I can get her buried in here. Now we're getting that time of the year where it starts getting a little uneven up here because there's big piles of poop. See you later, little fellas. Have I mentioned lately? This cab life, it sure is tough. Let me get on down here. I'll get you some snow blowing footage. Alright, tractor is in freight unloading mode. So thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll catch you in the next one. Hopefully the next one is what I think it's going to be, but we'll see. Promise yet again of another big storm next weekend. I've given up on their big dreams, so I'm actually ready for spring at this point. I'm ready to clean the snow blower up, grease it up, store it, and get back to better things with the tractor. I'd like to get the tractor clean too. No, this isn't a garage queen tractor. She gets used, but I do actually try to keep it clean. I mean, it's quite an expensive investment. So see you in the next one.